apples may fall, but the apples of your cheeks don't have to. Defy gravity with JUVÉDERM Voluma, the first and only injectable gel approved by the FDA to instantly add volume to your cheek area. As you age, it's not just about lines and wrinkles. Your cheeks lose volume and can sag. Voluma instantly adds volume to create contour and lift to the apples of your cheeks for a more youthful profile for up to 2 years. Temporary side effects include tenderness, swelling, firmness, lumps, bumps, bruising, pain, redness, discoloration, and itching. Ask your doctor about non-surgical JUVÉDERM Voluma XC from the #1 selling family of fillers. Sorry, Newton, not everything has to fall. See before and afters at JUVÉDERM.com. JUVÉDERM Voluma. Defy gravity.
Indication: JUVÉDERM Voluma XC injectable gel is indicated for deep, subcutaneous, and/or supraperiosteal injection for cheek augmentation to correct age-related volume deficit in the mid-face in adults over the age of 21. Important safety information. Contraindications. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC is contraindicated for patients with severe allergies manifested by a history of anaphylaxis or history or presence of multiple severe allergies and a history of allergies to gram-positive bacterial proteins or lidocaine. Warnings. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC injectable gel must not be injected into blood vessels and should not be used in vascular-rich areas. Use in these areas, such as glabella and nose, has resulted in cases of vascular embolization, occlusion of the vessels, ischemia or infarction, or blindness. Symptoms of vessel occlusion and embolization include pain that is disproportionate to the procedure or remote to the injection site, immediate blanching extending beyond the injected area, and color changes that reflect ischemic tissue such as a dusky or reticular appearance. Product use at specific sites in which an active inflammatory process, skin eruptions such as cysts, pimples, rashes, or hives, or infection is present should be deferred until the underlying process has been controlled. Precautions. The safety and effectiveness for the treatment of anatomic regions other than the midface have not been established. As with all transcutaneous procedures, dermal filler implantation carries a risk of infection. Follow standard precautions associated with injectable materials. The safety for use during pregnancy, in breastfeeding females, and in patients with very thin skin in the midface region has not been established. The safety for use in patients under 35 years or over 65 years has not been established. The safety in patients with known susceptibility to keloid formation, hypertrophic scarring, and pigmentation disorders has not been studied. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC injectable gel should be used with caution in patients on immunosuppressive therapy. Patients who are using products that can prolong bleeding, such as aspirin, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and warfarin, may experience increased bruising or bleeding at treatment sites. Patients who experience skin injury near the site of JUVÉDERM Voluma XC implantation may be at a higher risk for adverse events. Patients may experience late-onset nodules with use of dermal fillers, including JUVÉDERM Voluma XC. Patients should be limited to 20 milliliters of JUVÉDERM Voluma XC per 60 kilograms, 130 pounds, body mass per year. The safety of injecting greater amounts has not been established. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC should only be used by physicians who have appropriate experience and who are knowledgeable about facial anatomy and the product for use in deep, subcutaneous, and/or supraperiosteal injection for cheek augmentation. Adverse events. Side effects in greater than 5% of subjects were temporary injection site tenderness, swelling, firmness, lumps, bumps, bruising, pain, redness, discoloration, and itching. They were predominantly moderate in severity, with a duration of 2 to 4 weeks. To report an adverse reaction, please call Allergan Product Surveillance at 1-877-345-5372. For more information, please see the About Safety page at www.juvederm.com or call the Allergan Medical Information Line at 1-800-433-8871. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC injectable gel is available by prescription only.